Hello teachers, this is regarding creating online quizzes. Now you have been creating online quizzes till now. Okay, let me just explain a few things to you in these three videos. I'm going to create three videos. One is for creating general settings on the for the online quiz. Second would be creating a quiz which will require typing subjective type answers, typing, so they are supposed to type there. And third would be mainly for the senior classes, maybe classes 8, 9 and 10, which will require subjective type answers in which they will be writing with pen and uploading their answers. Okay, so we'll start off with setting right now. Let us create a new form, a new quiz, for example, a new quiz. When you start a new quiz, you create the new quiz. Okay, I'm not going to create the new quiz, I'm just going to give you the settings for it. Now what are the settings required for it? Okay, number one, go to the top right corner where you find an ellipsis over there, and when you click on there, the menu shows settings. Go to settings. These are the settings that are normally required by us. Okay, now let me just explain each one of them to you. Show results automatically. Show results automatically, if this is on, and when the child submits a paper, he or she will automatically see the results. He or she will also automatically see the correct answers and the incorrect answers, whatever he has given. So correct answers will also be shown to the child. What is the benefit of this? The benefit is that the child sees the score right away, and this should be done in case you want them to see the results right away, number one. And the question paper is of objective type. That means it has multiple choice and checkbox type questions and stuff like that, so that system is automatically checking the paper and the results are given to them. That is not a problem. Now the problem that arises because of switching this on, let me tell you about that also. If the student is allowed to submit twice or more than once, and if the results are automatically shown, the problem could be that the child will write an incorrect roll number, submit his paper, see all the answers that are the correct answers given by the teacher, and then submit it again with the proper roll number and with the answers which he has already seen. So you have seen that what could go wrong if you just say show results automatically. So I suggest that this be off all the time, unless it is just a mock test or something. Yes, then you switch it on, otherwise you switch it off. Okay, who can fill out this form? Now by default it is written as only people in my organization can respond, and it will record the name of the person, and one response per person is the default. That means the person cannot submit again. This is good that the person cannot respond more than once, and you don't need to ask the person for a name or anything. But the problem is that some children may not be able to log in at the time of the examination, and if they are not able to log in, then there is a problem. So out of say 50 students in a class, if there are 2 people who could not log in, then there is a problem. Alright, it will be a problem for us also. We'll have to take a retest, and you can see the pain that goes with it. Okay, so what I suggest is click on anyone with the link can respond. So anyone with the link, so that means people can need not log in for it. Children need not log in for it. And if they submit the thing twice, doesn't matter, let them submit it twice. A warning has already been given to them that if they submit twice, we will only take the first one. So we will take the first one and delete the rest of the responses. Okay, next, option for responses. If you want the responses to be taken, click on accept responses. So if you uncheck that, what is going to happen is the students would not be able to respond to the paper. Next is start date and end date. Now in the start date, give the date and time of the start. For example, I want to say it is on 13th of October starting at 12:15 p.m. and what is the end? It is 13th at 12:30. For example, this is the date and time. So this is the setting that you normally could do, and this is the normal situation that we have at the moment. Okay, so these are the settings that you need to do. Show results automatically should be off. Who can fill out this form should be on, with anyone with the link can respond. Options for responses, accept responses should be on. Start date and end date should be given here. Okay, start date and time should be given here. If I click on accept responses now, I have unchecked it. Although I have given the start and end date, it will not respond at all. So that means in order for the start date and end date also to work, I need accept responses. Okay, the other settings that you need to do is for sharing. Now for sharing, you can see that this is the link that is normally sent to the students, and you will find that the option selected is anyone with the link can respond. Okay, because we have selected here in the settings, we have selected anyone with the link can respond. So in the share also, we will say anyone with the link can respond and copy it from here. So when we copy, this link is copied and you can paste it wherever you wish to paste, or you can shorten it using bit.ly dot whatever site it is .com. Yeah. Okay, now if you want to share the form, the quiz with somebody, then you can click on share to collaborate. There is a plus sign here. Click on the plus sign. You will find that there are three options here, which says users with Office 365 work or school account can view and edit. That means with any account can edit. People in my organization can view and edit, and specific people in my organization can view and edit. Now this is the most dangerous of all. Users with Office, that means any person with any account. It could be Stephen Stoga, it could be some school in Dehradun, anybody. So anybody having an account can view and edit. No, we cannot. People in my organization can view and edit. Yes, teachers are in my organization, but the students are also in my organization. So never use this. So what are we going to use? We are going to use the last option, that is specific people in my organization can view and edit. Once you select this, you will find there is a box below which says who do you want to share this form with. Now for example, if I want to share this with Sushma, so I'll start writing SUSH and you will find Sushma Chawla Arora, and it will show the name here. RS is me and SA is Sushma Arora. Okay. Now once we need to send them the link.
Let me know if I can help.
If we need to send them the link, how do we send them the link? We copy the link from here and we paste it somewhere. Okay, let me show you the links. This is the link I just copied. and this is the link which be copied from the students, from the student. Now you can see from the link itself which link is which. If the link contains something called as design page, you can see that this has something like design page written in it. Okay, then this is for teachers. This is the design page, and this is for the viewing of the teachers. Okay, and if it contains something like response page, this is for a student. So you should be very clear about which link is which. If I just send you a link and you need to figure out whether this link is for students to respond or for teachers to design, then you can just go through the link. Don't go through the rest of the rubbish. Just see the beginning. It says forms.office.com/pages/design page.aspx, and here it says forms.office.com/response page.aspx. So response page means it is a page to respond. Design page means it is a page to design. Okay, I think I have covered all. Once you want to see who can access, you can click on the right arrow over here and you will see the list of who can access. Okay, so it shows the link, a list of the people who can access. You can go back once you verified. Maybe you would want to delete somebody. I don't want Sushma to see this anymore. I can simply click on the recycle bin over there and it will be deleted from here. Okay, so that's it. This was regarding settings. In the next videos I'm going to explain to you about how to create a quiz so that the responses are in the form of typing long text, that is subjective type answers, or writing them on pages and uploading them. Thank you and have a nice day.